echo of a voice that has died.
The magic of the hill from the island of the mighty.
There'll be no.
How long you been here? Women. People only look at with us or marry us, and that's it. No one, whatever.
A monster.
Kill my vibe.
Get out from under the weight of the Yellowstone.
Casey.
Try not to slow us down, cowboy.
Did you steal his body from the tomb?
He is risen.
Wasn't he killed?
His trial, we all shouted, crucify him to the Imperium!
And yet something new. We must do something.
With our faith.
It has everything to do with it!
This is my wife, Sapphire.
But that's right. And pretty soon.
Hello and welcome to Cine Select. 2026 is building up to be a huge year for TV with Netflix, Prime Video, HBO Max, Apple TV Plus and other platforms releasing creative original series, eagerly anticipated adaptation and quality dramas that are meant for fans. From science fiction sagas and dark mystery to fantasy realms and attention-grabbing originals, these are the must-see TV shows of 2026 that will take over watch list, schedules and binge marathon all year. Number 10. Young Sherlock.
I'm the world's greatest goddamn advertisement.
Every night I pray for your death.
Life. One simple
Beauty has been mutating out in the wild.
It is a 2026 television series that revisits Sherlock Holmes' initial teenage years, following how his famed talents of deduction, reasoning and psychological control developed via early riddles and personal encounters. The show attempts to provide an entirely fresh look into the world of the legendary personality via fusing traditional detective mystery with a young adult perspective. It is based on Andrew Lang Young Sherlock Holmes book series which twists the original Sherlock Holmes text by Arthur Conan Doyle. The series is anticipated to premiere on March 4, 2026. Number 9. The Beauty. It is a genre-bending drama set in a near-future society where flawless looks can be obtained through medical intervention, though at a horrifying cost. As mankind grows fascinated with appearances as kind of status, the series delves into bloody horror, class divisions, and the grim implications of altering looks, combining social satire with scary sci-fi aspects. The show is scheduled to debut on January 21st, 2026, making it one of the FX's most audacious and thought-provoking release of the year. Number 8. Why Martial Arts. It is a Western drama series that extends the Yellowstone universe following Case Dutton as he joined a prestigious squad of United States Marshals. The series, which combines relevant Western realism with intense law enforcement drama following Case as he navigates deadly missions, moral quandaries and his past links to the Dutton heritage while expanding justice outside Montana. On March 1st, 2026, the show is expected to debut on CBS. Number 7. The Pendragon Cycle Rise of the Merlin. It is a 2026 fantasy series that redefines the Arthurian legend behind Merlin assassination decades prior to King Arthur take the throne. The series dives into magic, destiny, and political corruption in a cruel beginning of Maldivian Britain, examining how Merlin emerged the mastermind of legend, molding the destiny of entire nation from the shadows. The show, described as an epic mythological saga, is set to premiere on Daily Wire Plus on January 22nd, 2026. Number 6. The BBS. It is a mystery comedy series inspired by the 1989 classic film of the same name. The narrative centers around Samira and her partner Rob, a young married couple whose idyllic life gets disrupted when the new residents round the Allied disclose dark secrets and bring unforeseen risks, shattering the facade of their calm neighborhood. The series also stars Julia Duffy, Paul Pell, Mark Proch, and Kapil Talwalkar, and combines suburbia charm with suspense and darker themes. on February 8, 2026. All 8 episodes will debut on Peacock. Number 5. The Burrows. It is a science fiction series produced by the Duffer Brothers, set in an apparently calm retirement property. The story chronicles a team of unexpected heroes who must join forces to battle an alien threat, leading them to confront danger and mystery. Produced by the creators of Stranger Things, the show will launch on Netflix in 2026 and brings together emotion, drama, and otherworldly adventure. Number 4. Ponies. It is a spy thriller series that stars Emilia Clarke and Haley Lou Richardson. The series takes place in 1977 Moscow and depicts two employees at the American embassy who are abruptly lured into intelligence following their husband's inexplicable murders, causing them to deal with risk confidently and politics in the volatile environment of the legacy. The show combines historical suspense with character-centered drama and is set to release on Peacock on January 15, 2026. Number 3. Widow's Bay. It is a 10-episode comedy horror series created by Katie Dippold. The show stars Matthew Rhys as a paranoid mayor of a tiny New England town who, despite frightening happenings challenging his logical worldview, resists listening to locals who believe that the community is cursed. On April 29, 2026. The series is scheduled to premiere on April 29, 2026. Number 2. The Testament. It is an adaptation of the Margaret Atwood sequel book to The Handmaid's Tale, set over a decade after the conclusion of the previous series. The story is portrayed from 3 different female viewpoints, especially key character Aunt Lyda, and dives into how glitters her system is maintained, challenged, and secretly opposed from outside. Through changing perspective, generational shift, and subtle mechanics of power, the series aims to broaden the universe rather concentrating on a single character. Overall, The Testament will launch on Hulu in April 2026 with a specific release date yet to be disclosed. Number 1. A Knight of the Seven Kingdoms. It is a 2026 prequel series of Game of Thrones that takes place roughly a century before the conclusion of the original series. Based on George R.R. Martin's Duncan Egg stories, the series chronicles Sir Duncan the Tall and his new companion Egg as they journey through what experience tournaments, power struggles, and looking dangerous. The 6-episode series will debut on HBO on January 18 and will have a more uplifting character focused on that its predecessors. Bonus mentions: Blade Runner 2019, Lanterns, Scarpetta,